Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Today we are going to learn about the file handling in Python. So file handling in Python. Python provides the built-in functions to open, read, write, and close the files. So we have different types of files, that is text file, Excel file, and CSV file. So we should know how to open this, how to read the content from that, how to write a new content to this file, and how to close the files. So these are the basic operations we are going to do with the files using Python. File handling is essential for storing the data permanently in the files. So that can be the log data of the files and reading the input from the files. So how we are going to do that? How to open the file? To open any files using code, we have to use the open function. File file is a file handler which is going to store the file. Using the open method, open function, we are going to provide the file name and the mode. In which mode you are going to open the file. If it is a read mode, you are going to read only the content of the file if the file is already existing. If it is a write mode, if the file is already existing, it will erase all the data, the previous data of the file. It is going to write the new content to the file. So if the file is not there, it will create the file. Using the write mode, you can create the new file. Using the append mode, with the existing data, you can append some more data. And RB and read binary and write binary, or those how to operate the files in the binary modes. In the read mode, open the file example.txt in the read mode. So file is a file handler, open is the function, example.txt is the file, and opening the file in the read mode. So using the read method, reads the entire file. Using the read line, it is going to read only one line at a time. Using the read lines method, it is going to read all the lines into the list. So this is the way, these are the different methods we are going to use to read the content from the existing file. File is equal to open of example.txt of read or mode. Content is equal to file.read. So in this content, you will be storing the entire content of the file. Now you are going to print the content. Once this operation is done, you are going to close the file. In the write mode, open the file in the write mode. It is to create or overwrite. Whether if the file is not there, it is going to create the new file. If the file is already existing, it is going to overwrite the existing data. Using the append mode, we have to add extra data to the existing data. So I have, for example, I want to create a new file, new.txt. The file is not there. So using the write mode, I can create this file and I can write some content to this file. For example, if I have the new.txt already, it has got some data. Using this write mode, it is going to erase whatever the data already stored in that file, and it is going to write only the new data to this file. So that is the operation of the write mode. Using the append mode, for example, example.txt is the file already existing. In that I have already some content. To add extra content to this file, I can use the append mode. For file.write, the file is a handler where you are going to store the file. Using the write method, you are going to write hello Python. Again, you are going to write file.write. File handling is easy. Now you have written these two lines into the file using the file.write method. So now what it will do, it will open the file example.txt and write these two files into this file. And once the file operation is done, we are going to able to see the result. These are the two files got written. These are the two lines got written inside the file. The with command. Using the with statement, use with to automatically close the files. With open of that file name in the read mode as file. So in the previous one, here we are file is equal to open of. So this file handler, here we are giving at the end. So with command, open the file name, read mode, the file handler. What the file handler I'm seeing here, the file handler I'm seeing it here. Now in the content variable, I'm going to read all the content from this file. So here only the entire file is getting stored. Now I'm going to print the content. No need to call the file.close because the with command, it performs that automatically. When you use the with command, after the operation, the file will be closed automatically. So best practices, always close the file after the operations. Use with for automatical handling. When you are going to use the with command, the file will be closed automatically. Whatever the operations you are going to do, you have to close it properly. Choose the correct mode for reading, writing, and appending. So if you want to read the content of the file, use the read mode. If you want to write the content of the file, use the write mode. If you want to append some more data into the file, use the append mode. So these are the modes you have to use properly to do the proper operation. Handle exceptions using the try X for save file operations. You can always use the try exceptional block, which is an important feature of the Python while doing the file operations so that the data will be handled properly. So open is the method to access the file in the read, write or append mode. Using the open method only, you are going to access the file in the local system using the read, write or append mode. Using the read method, you either read line or read lines, you are going to read the content of the file. Using the write, you are going to write some content into the file. Using the with, your recommended way to manage the file safely, you have to use the with command. Files store data permanently. Python makes it simple and safe to manage them. So, how to store the data in the file permanently? Using this open method, read method, write method, append method, and with. These are the ways you can handle this file handling and storing the data in the file permanently using Python with all these methods. I hope today's session was interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned to the Provoke Tunings for more exciting content like this. Please, if you have any queries for the upgraded content or if you need any queries for this course, post your queries in the below form. Here you please provide your full name, mobile number, email ID, location, what is the course you are looking for. Whatever the queries you are going to submit, our team will reach out to you to handle your queries. Thank you so much.